So what is it like to stay in a 5-star luxury hotel in Makati? Come join me as we explore the Peninsula Manila. This is GeoTube. Since opening its doors in 1976, the Peninsula Manila has often regarded as one of the finest hotels in the world. For over 40 years, the Peninsula Manila has set the benchmark for luxury and sophistication. Check-in was smooth and easy. I was given a room on the 10th floor, so let's go to my room. I booked a deluxe room. Well, the room was really huge. I specifically told them to arrange one single bed, let's go to the bathroom. They separated the toilet and shower room, and they have a bathtub which I didn't use for the whole duration of my stay. Yes, I know, these windows need a good wiping, but other than that, this room has a marvelous view of Makati City. Time to sleep. See you in the morning. Finished my breakfast. I was actually expecting that they will have buffet, but again, we are still in a pandemic and they don't serve buffet anymore. Okay, the breakfast was a bit disappointing because again, I was expecting that they will be serving a lot of food, but the food was very limited, as you can see there on the video that I showed you. I wasn't satisfied. Okay, I wanted to have more because I love to eat. I love to eat, and I am here in Manila Peninsula, so I was expecting that I'm gonna see a lot of food selections and everything. But well, there's nothing I can do. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna show you around. I'm gonna show you what the hotel looks like. Okay, this is my day 2. Okay, day 2 of staying here in the Peninsula Manila, here in Makati. Okay, I'm staying here for 5 days and 4 nights, and after that I'm leaving for the US. Hopefully, everything is going to be fine. Today is my schedule for RT-PCR test. Okay, I called in a home service, and you know what, I paid 5,800 for this one because I don't want to risk going out. The airline, Philippine Airlines, Philippine Airlines needs at least 72 hours result prior to my boarding, result of negative result of RT-PCR, and the US also needs that. Okay, that result. So I'm gonna show you also the requirements or the documents needed for you to be able to go out of the country and visit the US. Okay, there's a lot of documents actually. So again, my schedule is later on today. I still don't know the exact time, but it's going to be today. So medyo na planning ako. I'm confident that I'm negative because I'm already vaccinated, first dose of AstraZeneca, and I've been observing the protocols, mask, shield, and then social distancing and all. I haven't gone out of the hotel. I wanted to go out because I want to explore the city, but I just opted to stay here. Also, I'm worried because yesterday Taal volcano erupted. Level 3 daw yung alert. Level 3 ngayon yung Taal volcano. So I just wish that the alert level won't go up. Okay? Please, Taal, wag kang pumutok ngayon. Because if that will happen, I believe all flights will be canceled again, just like what happened. I think that was last year, or last year or 2 years ago. I'm not sure. So it happened, nagpumutok yung vulkan, and then all the flights were canceled. So I don't want that to happen. And also, sana naman hindi mangyari yung mga ganyan ngayon. We are already in a pandemic, plus the volcano and all. It's going to be too much for us Filipinos. Okay, so stay tuned. I'll be showing you around what this 5-star luxury hotel looks like. It's old, but it's still very impressive. Stay tuned. This is GeoTube. With towering palm trees and tropical gardens, you may not think that this paradise is in the heart of Makati City. You can swim laps in their 22-meter pool or simply sit back, relax, order some drinks and snacks at the pool bar. The Peninsula Fitness Center offers a wide range of cardiovascular and strength training equipments. The Peninsula Promise states optimal comfort, convenience, and flexibility. And true enough, I was greeted with their promise immediately upon my arrival. One thing I love about this hotel is that guests are allowed to check in early and check out late. And to make my experience in the Peninsula more memorable, I was granted access to their most expensive room, the Peninsula Suite. Rate starts at 120,000 pesos a night. Guests enter through a magnificent marble-floored foyer with a life-size contemporary art piece and sleek wood paneling. A resident butler is on hand 24 hours a day to cater to every need. While a pantry allows discreet meal preparation by the hotel's chefs or the guests' own staff. Wow, their bathroom is huge. It's like a whole house. Wait, let's go back here. This is a jacuzzi, yeah, just like the one that we have in my house, charot. And here, yeah, their toilet. Okay, and this one is, well, this is supposed to be their walk-in closet. Ang laki. And sobrang laki. And it's really impressive. They even have a mini gym here to have your, cardiovascular exercise. And oh, there's another room here. Also, this one is the master's bedroom. Yeah, it's amazing. Okay. I'm really confused now where to go. And what's this room? Oh, there's another room.
That's our guest room.
A guest room. So this one has 2 bedrooms.
Yes. Well, this is walk-in closet and bath.
So guys, this is only for the guest. I mean, guest rooms, they have their own bathroom and everything. They have their own walk-in closet. So there are 2 bathrooms in this presidential suite. Popular with celebrities and dignitaries, the Peninsula Suite is the pinnacle of luxury in the city.
Peninsula Suite, you have access to this as well. Exclusive access siya. Afternoon tea and early evening cocktails. So they can also check in here.
Located in the center of Makati City, the Peninsula Manila has set the benchmark for luxury and sophistication for over 4 decades. Known affectionately as the jewel in the capital's crown, for its legendary presence in the heart of the Philippines' primary business district, it is a luxurious haven of comfort, quality service, and fine cuisine, and is as much a favorite with discerning locals as it is with visitors from overseas. Hello Philippines, hello world. I am leaving today. After 5 days and 4 nights of staying here in Manila Peninsula in Makati, I am finally leaving. And I'm leaving Philippines as well. I'm so excited. I'm always excited, My life is really exciting. And to be able to fly again internationally, long-haul flight, that is something that I'm really looking forward to. Okay, so I'm gonna miss this view. This is my view for 5 days. Manila Peninsula is definitely one of the best hotels here in Manila. It's an old hotel, but it's still very impressive. Sorry for my cup because I'm gonna make a coffee. So I'm still packing my things. I have a flight later tonight at 9 p.m. I have to be at the airport at least 4 or I think 5 hours before my flight. So I'll be there maybe at around 4 p.m. or 5, okay? So, well, my room is a mess. I'm excited to, go out of the country again. But, I still want to stay here. I'm gonna miss this place. It's not every day that I have, that I'm able to stay in a luxury hotel like this, 5-star hotel, and with a perfect view, buildings and all. We don't have like this in my city. Probinsyano kasi ako eh. So to have this view every day, for 5 days, well, I like it. But then again, I have to leave. 5 days is enough. So I'm gonna be seeing you later, okay? Okay, so I'm leaving the hotel now. I had a great time here. 5 days staying here, 5 days and 4 nights. I will definitely miss this hotel.